Jersey is finally getting the big one, so here are some little tips to prep your home before the big snow starts on Sunday. First, you want to protect your plumbing by keeping your heat set to a consistent temperature, especially those vacant properties. Open the cabinet doors under sinks on exterior walls, and if it's going to be really cold, let those faucets drip slightly overnight. Next, check your furnace and water heater intake and exhaust vents outside, and make sure they stay clear of snow, because if those vents get blocked, it can cause your system to shut down or potentially create unsafe conditions. If your home is heated by fuel oil or propane, make sure those tanks are filled before the storm hits, because deliveries will be delayed during heavy snow. If you have a well for your water, fill up bathtubs or a few containers with water in case the electric goes out and your well pump can't run. That means no toilets. Before snowfall, mark the edges of your driveway and your walkway with stakes so the snow removal stays on track and doesn't damage your landscaping. Finally, you got to prep for those outages by charging all your devices, having your flashlights and batteries ready, and keeping a few basic supplies on hand. Stay safe and send this to a friend who just bought a house with well, septic, and possibly fuel oil.